Fix your gaze on the center cross. Hold it steady. 5 seconds. 10. 15. 20. The colored blobs in your peripheral vision are fading away even though they never changed. This is Troxler's fading, discovered by the Swiss physician Ignaz Troxler in 1804. Your visual neurons adapt to unchanging stimuli very quickly when the image lands on the periphery, where receptive fields are larger and contrast sensitivity is lower. After about 10 seconds of stable fixation, those neurons effectively stop reporting the color. Your brain fills in the surrounding gray instead. The instant your eyes move even with a microsaccade, the colors come back, because new edges land on the receptors and they fire fresh signals. This is one of the most direct demonstrations that vision is built on change. Stillness is invisible to your brain. Subscribe for more of how your brain edits reality in real time.